Uber for Luis?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Sir,
That's $5 extra.
is that supposed to hit?
Did you?
What? Is it supposed to hit the? Is that supposed to hit like that? Is that supposed to happen, sir? I don't know. Maybe you should
You probably gotta get on that side.
Maybe you should just raise your car. I don't know shit about cars.
No, you should probably just get on that side.
Just go on that side. Is that okay?
No, but I mean.
Yo, what is up, guys? So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. As you can see right here, we got a box that we're about to unbox. Shout out to Boscam for basically sponsoring today's video. Super excited to install this.
So you got Cheetos on it?
It got Cheetos on it?
Yeah.
Instead of telling you guys what it is, let's just get right to it and just unbox it. Huh, Marcel?
Mm-hmm.
So as you guys can see right here, we got a Stream Media mirror dash camera. Honestly, really nice packaging, dude. Oh, woo! I feel like I'm unboxing like a YouTube 100K,
I feel like
100K plaque. You need chapstick?
Mm-hmm. I wash mine again, bro.
So we have our mirror right here. So this is a dash cam / reverse camera. We're gonna figure out how to hook it up right now, but it's all the things right now. So this is basically gonna go over my stock rear view, or I'm not sure if I have to take off mine, but it's like a rear view, and also it's gonna show me what's in front of me, and it's also a dash cam, and when I put in reverse, it's gonna show me what's behind me too. So it's pretty dope. So these are all the contents. We got everything laid out right here. It looks pretty. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. We have the backup camera right here. We have a GPS right here, power cable, video cables, the mounting bracket for the backup camera, and that's it. It really doesn't. This looks like a pretty easy install. So, I mean, this is really the only wiring right here. So this is pretty much the only wire that we're really gonna need to tuck away and make it look pretty. But I'm excited. Let's get to it.
No.
Dang! See how clean this is?
It's a 7-inch LCD.
Yeah, so this is the display screen / rear view mirror. It's gonna be replacing my stock one.
Make sure you keep this bag.
Pretty neat. So right now we're mounting up the display screen. It comes with like little, what'd you say, like rubber straps?
Like garments type shit.
So it's pretty easy, guys, to mount up. It's literally like a rubber strap. You attach it to the top and then you just bring it up around and attach it to these clips right here, and boom, solid.
Oh, that's why I was like, why isn't it going? It's because the camera's right here on this side.
Oh, okay. Alright, so yeah, that's it. It sticks out a little bit. It's because the dash cam camera is over here on the side, so that's why it doesn't go all the way around it, but it looks really good.
You know what we could do?
Super like HD, and that's just the display screen. It's not even on.
We could just cut off your mirror, bro. Where the camera is, just cut like a circle, so that shit slides all the way. Oh, that'd be tight.
The fun part. So where should we start with next?
Route the power and GPS cable to the top.
Alright, so we're just making sure the power works right now before we took away all the cables, but as you can see, it's showing me what's in front of me. It's pretty clear too.
Shit, touchscreen? Oh, shit!
Touchscreen, wow. That's pretty cool.
You can take.
So this thing is pretty sick. You can't do most of the functions because it needs an SD card, but you can take a picture, you can record. As a little icon for a microphone, but it's pretty cool.
I'm about to start the OnlyFans, bro.
We still need to connect the rear camera, and then we're assuming, because there's a button, so we're assuming as soon as we connect the rear camera, if you push that button, it'll switch to the
Where is
backup
it?
camera.
We'll just plug that shit in from here and see
Oh,
if
yeah.
that shit works.
Alright guys, so I put up the top because there's too much glare, but we connected the backup camera, so now if we push this button right here, it should work. What the?
Oh, it was working.
Oh, it's working.
That shit is tight, bro.
So that's pretty cool, guys.
Wait.
Oh,
Hey.
what? Inception. But if you push that button, you can see both. So you can leave it like this, which is pretty dope. Honestly, it has like no delay time.
Bro, that shit's pretty.
Yeah, like as soon as you move it, it just like there's no lag. It's like pretty real time and pretty good resolution.
That's crazy.
So I honestly I like that. You can see what's in front of you guys and what's behind you at the same time. That's pretty nifty. I like it a lot. Hey man, hey, this is a family channel, bro. Or is it? Alright, so honestly that's pretty cool.
Yes, sir.
As you guys can see, the cables are all
Bro,
over the
just
place.
fucking tuck it right here in the corner. I'm pretty sure there's some trim we didn't put back.
Alright, so right now we're gonna figure out what to do with all this cable, and yeah, we're gonna have to figure out because this mounts on top of the license plate. I'll show you guys when we do that, but yeah, so we basically gotta figure out a way to run all of these cables to the basically my license plate. So yep. Alright guys, so all the wires are still a mess right now, but we fed it through to the back. We used this missing bumper tab hole, so we fed it through there. And yeah, camera's on there. It has like a little mounting bracket. It goes behind the license plate, and it also has like three double-sided tape on the other side, so it sticks to the bumper and also gets secured by the license plate. So pretty nice design. We're gonna see if how this looks right now. All right, guys.
That's my eye vision.
Let's see. Oh, there you go.
That shit shorts out.
Alright, so the camera is upside down. So we're gonna, I mean it looks pretty clear, so you get the idea. But I'm gonna fix the camera.
Let's just flip the mirror around. It makes more sense.
You're right. Yeah, so we're almost done with the install. Now it's just cleaning up all the wires. Right now we're gonna take off the A-pillar and all these plastic pieces. I'm gonna take off the sun visors right now. And then yeah, we'll be able to tuck in. Yeah! My son already got one side. So yeah, pretty easy so far. We just really need to tuck in the wires. And then that's it. And then I'll show you guys how everything looks. It's getting a little bit darker too, so you guys will get a better look at the screen and what's on it. Alright guys, so it's already dark, but we just hit all the wires and everything, finally put everything back together. And that's what it looks like. This is with the backup view on right now. That's like the standby. And then you can switch it. You can have both if you want. Reverse, or the backup camera is on the left, and then what's in front of you is on the right, which is pretty cool. You can also switch to, of course, just a full camera view. So we're gonna go drive it around and see how it looks with actual driving. Oh, got some driving. The camera should be pointing a little bit more down, so the driving lines would be better, but yeah, at least the red can still tell you how close you are.
Oh, you can fucking do it like that.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. You can turn up the brightness, right?
That's sick.
Yo, so Marcel just discovered that you can literally swipe the camera up and down with your finger. It's touchscreen.
Oh no, that's tight.
Alright guys, so all that smoke right now is just my exhaust warming up. But guys, the field of vision this camera has is insane. You can see Marcel's full car, and if I turn around, I cannot see the full car. So this thing has a really wide lens, which is cool. Like before I back out, you can literally see someone walking up from the sidewalk. You can see this side, and then you can move it up and down. Like this thing is insane. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna go test it out right now. Look at that, guys. So clear. And one thing about this, guys, is like super clear at night. So let's see, I'm gonna switch it to in front of me. Look at that, guys. So clear.
Damn, that shit's HD as fuck.
You see how clear that is, guys? So, I mean, you can switch it to view in front of you if you want to, but I mean, you should be paying attention to the road anyways. So, I mean, look at that. It's so crazy how clear that is at night. And honestly, I could probably, if one of my friends was behind me, I could probably
straight rollers, bro.
Dude, you could record insane rollers. All you need is an SD card, guys. So I'm probably gonna invest in like a 64 gig and just take out the SD card, and look at that, I could record that if I wanted to, if the SD card was in there.
This shit has good ass lighting too. You might as well take your mirrors off, bro. You don't need them no more.
Honestly. Oh, and also guys, I was reading, and if the backup camera gets dirty, you can literally just spray it with water and it'll be totally fine, which is pretty dope. I mean, look how clean that is. So just the fact that if it gets dirty, you can just spray water on it, soap, whatever, and just hose it down real quick. That's cool. Always keep it clean.
Yes, sir.
Dang, that shit's insane.
Bitches. Whew. Hey, go in the back real quick. I want to see how clear it is.
In the back? Alright.
Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Hey.
Alright guys, so we just drove to the gas station right now just to drive around, and honestly, I'm so impressed with it. Big shout out to Boscam for the camera. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in buying one, I'll put the links down below, and also there'll be a coupon code down there below for 10% off, guys. So 10% off, and you can get one of these. You guys saw how clear it is, and honestly, I'm like super impressed with it. Hey Marcel, you gonna get one?
Hell yeah. I can't see shit in my car, bro.
Honestly,
that's a blind spot.
If you guys don't have a backup camera, I literally just installed one on my S2000. You can see it right there. So dope, guys. Big shout out to Boscam. Thank you guys. So if you guys want to purchase one, I highly recommend you guys do, because I'm so impressed with it, guys. Like honestly, it's the dopest thing I've added to my S2000. So if you guys want one, links will be down below off Amazon. 10% off. Use the coupon code, guys. Alright guys, and also we made black beanies. They sold out already. We posted them on Instagram. Woo! So I'm actually gonna be restocking the black ones. So orange ones are currently out of stock, but guys, black ones are coming back. So if you guys want one, links will be down in the description box.
Nah, sorry, we shooting my music video out here, you feel me? Out here in front of so.
So yeah guys, beanies will be back in stock soon too, but if you guys want to check out the website, link will be down below, guys. So
yes, sir.
Thank you guys for checking out this dope little quick video. Civic videos will resume very soon, probably next week. But yeah, just had to upload this video real quick. Big shout out to Boscam again. What you trying to do, Marcel?
I'm trying to look at that view, bro.
Honestly, let's go look at it again.
Shoo. That shit tight, bro.
So yeah guys, no more looking over my shoulder to back up. This thing is gonna be super nifty for the future.
This is the future, bro.
It is the future. You need one for your cross tour, Marcel.
ASAP. I can't see shit in my car, bro. Everything's a blind spot.
So I mean, it's really simple, guys. You can also use the GPS if you want, but I didn't connect it. I don't really have the use for it, but you can also connect your GPS. I'll tell you how fast you're going and all that. But I wanted to make it look a little bit cleaner, so we have just two cables connect straight into the power outlet. It's
tucked away, no wire showing anywhere.
Yeah, and we just tucked it all the way around. Came out pretty nice. It's like a Type C USB cable, so yeah, it just plugs in right into the power outlet. So pretty dope, guys. Super happy with it. With that being said, see you guys in the next video. Civic videos will resume pretty soon. So yep. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this quick video. Again, big shout out to Boscam. You guys are the best. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one.
It's amazing.
I can't wait to get rollers with this. I'm actually gonna show you guys just a little bit right now how nice it looks. Honestly, all I need is an SD card and I can record and then just put it to my computer. Alright guys, just want to show you guys what it looks like during the day. I had some more stuff going on up here, so it looked all cluttered, but yeah, this is how clean it looks when all the wires are tucked up. That image is just insane, guys. Yeah.
Running, ignoring, sticking that